Last question. Is there an association, significant association, between the level of education and the genre from the movies? Interesting. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right. Analyze. Descriptives. Crosstabs. So we got level of education. I'm just going to switch over gender with genre. And the rest of these should have remained clicked, and they did, right? Let's make sure. It's one good thing about SPSS, it will keep the same settings that you put on there. And let's click OK. Let's go. Boom. Interpretation time. So here's the head title, right? The level of education versus, I say versus, so the 6 different levels of education versus the 8 types of movies. Wow, this is going to be a big one. So let's just look around. There's a 1.9. It's pretty big. And there's 1.7, a couple more. Yeah, so you got some medium ones in there. But again, I'm going to let SPSS do the talking for us. And it says, nope, there is no significant association in there because the p-value is 0.114 and it's not less than 0.05. So it comes close, right? Some of them come close, but because of the size of this test, because you have 6 levels times 8 levels, that's 48 cells. Some of them could be close, but most of them are not. So that's why you get an overall not a significant association in there. And if it's not a significant association, we really don't care about the phi or the Kramer's V because it's not significant. So that's it. Real quick, the only assumption that you have to worry about with the chi-square test is at least 5 people per cell. I'll say that again. The only important assumption about the chi-square test is there has to be at least 5 people per cell. So like ours is, in this one, we got 6 levels of education, 8 levels of movies. So 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 5 is 240. And as you recall, we had 250 people in there, right? Boom. So our sample size was just enough. We had 10 more than we actually really needed. So that's it. Remember, sample size, minimum 5 people per cell. That's it. MGZ out.